Okay guys, so today we're going to start our new unit on countries, and it's going to be very similar to the animal unit that we just finished, but instead of researching animals, we're going to be researching countries. So if you look up on the board, your first task for today is to choose a country or a continent, and you're choosing between Africa, Japan, Central, or South America. And then the next thing that you're going to do today is you're going to read an easy overview text on Pebble Go for about 30 minutes. And Mrs. Lyon has the usernames and passwords for you on the library website. And the third thing that you're going to do is you're going to organize your notes by subtopic, just the same way that we did with our animal unit, but you're going to have different subtopics because it's the country unit. So the country that we're going to be using to model is China. So if I go, so I've done number one, I've chosen China. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my overview text on Pebble Go. So I'm going to go to the website, and you would type in your country up here on the top where it says search. And you would look at the different subtopics that are listed here. For example, this one says, where is China? The next one says landforms and climate. The next one says population and language, and so on. So then you're going to do a little bit of reading and just get to know that country. And then you're going to go back to your notes, and I'm just going to use the iPad here to show you how you would set up your notes. So my first subtopic is, where is China? So I'm going to open up my journal, and I'm going to go to the next blank page that I have, and I'm going to put at the top, where is China? And I'm going to read through that subtopic, and I'm going to write down any notes that I think are important for that specific subtopic. And then the next thing I would do is go back to Pebble Go, and I would click on the next subtopic, which is landforms and climate, and I would go back to my notebook, go to the next page because I need some more space for a different subtopic, and I'm going to right at the top, landforms and climate, and anything that I think is important about the landforms and climate from China is that's where I would write that information. So those are your three different tasks for today. Again, you're going to choose a country or continent, and it's going to be Africa, Japan, Central, or South America. And then you're going to read an easy overview text on Pebble Go for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to organize your notes and study the different subtopics across the text.